Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add popular sound effect on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone and I'm going to open my draft. So I'm just going to tap on the video, then I'm going to open this draft. And if you want to add the sound effect on your InShot application, you just need to click on the music button or music option right here and just tap on the effect. And if you want to access or get the popular sound effect, you just need to click on the popular option. Okay, and here you can access popular sound effects. And for example, I'm going to use wait guys, so for example, I'm going to use the magic sound effect. So we just need to click on the sound effect, then we can click on use. Okay, now the sound effect has been added, and I'm going to add one more sound effect. So we can tap on the effect option, then click on popular, then I'm going to add the magic 2 sound effect. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm going to play the video. Okay, this is the sound effect that we have just added to our video. And after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button. I guess and that's how we can add popular sound effect on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.